Dear students, welcome back to the online classes. We are learning the unit Algebraic Expressions and Identities. In the previous video, we have learnt multiplication of monomial by monomial. Now, in this video, we will try to learn multiplication of monomial by binomial, polynomials and so on. Students will learn how to multiply a monomial by a binomial. Multiplying a monomial by binomial, we know the distributive law for integers, that is a into b plus c. A into b plus c equals what? A into b plus a into c. ab plus ac. A into b plus a into c. This is called as distributive law for integers. In the same way, consider A as monomial, B plus C as binomial. When we are multiplying a monomial by a binomial, we use distributive law. Consider 3x monomial multiplied by 3y plus 5z. This is a monomial multiplied by binomial 3y plus 5z. Now what you should do? Multiply 3x into 3y plus 3x into 5y. What you get? 3x into 3y plus 3x into 5z. Now what we get? This is multiplication of monomial by monomial. It is 3 3s are 9, x into y, x, y plus 3 5s are 15, x into z is x, z. This is an example for multiplication of monomial by a binomial. We use distributive law. Consider example multiplication of monomial by a binomial, that is 2x into 3x plus 5y. Now I will multiply 2x with 3x, then 2x into 5x. What I get? 2x into 3x plus 2x into 5xy. 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square. Now 2 5s are 10, x into x, x square, y as it is. Second question, ab into a minus b. Multiply ab into a, then ab into minus b. That is ab into a, then what we have here is minus, plus into minus, minus ab into b. A into a square, b as it is. Now b into b square, a as it is. Third question, 4a into a square minus 9. The first step is multiply 4a into a square, then 4a into 9. What you get? 4a into a square. What we have here is plus, plus into minus, minus 4a into 9. 4a as it is, a into a square is a cubed. 4 9s are 36a. Few questions for your practice. First question, 4p into q plus r. Second question, a plus b into 7a square b square. This is the monomial, multiply with binomial a plus b. Third question, ab into b plus c. Fourth question, a square into 2ab minus 5c. This is the concept of multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Now moving to the next concept, multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Again we use the concept of distributive law, that is a into b plus c plus d. Multiplying a monomial by trinomial, b plus c plus d, what you get? A into b plus a into c plus a into d. That is what you get is ab plus ac plus ad. A into b plus a into c, then a into d. In the same way, we multiply a monomial by a trinomial. Consider example, 5x into 2a plus 3b plus 4c. Now we multiply 5x into 2a, then 5x into 3b, then 5x into 4c. That is 5x into 2a plus 5x into 3b, then 5x into 4c. 5x into a plus 5x into 3b plus 5x into 4c. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 2s are 10. What we get is a into x, ax. 5 3s are 15. What we get? B into x is bx. Next, 5 4s are 20. X into c is xc. This is an example for multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. Moving to second example, 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7. Multiply 3p into 4p square, 3p into 5p, then 3p into 7. That is 3p into 4p square. Then what we get? 3p into 5p. Then 3p into 7. Now these are just monomial multiplication by monomial. 3p into 5p, then 3p into 7. 3 4s are 12. P into p square is p cubed. Then 3 5s are 15. P into p is p square plus 3 7s are 21. Then p as it is. Third example, ABC, that is monomial into trinomial, that is a plus b plus c. Multiply ABC into a, ABC into b, then ABC into c. That is ABC into a plus ABC into b plus ABC into c. Now a into a square. Remaining variables bc as it is. Now b into b square. Then the remaining variable ac as it is. Now a b as it is. C into c square. These are few examples for multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. Dear students, these are the few questions for your practice, that is multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. The first question, 3a into a plus b plus c. Second question, 2y into y cube minus y square plus 5. Third question, x square into x square plus 2x cube plus 5x to the power 4. These are the examples for multiplication of monomial by a trinomial. Now we will try to solve few questions based on these concepts. Friends, moving to next type of problems, that is simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3, then find its value at x equals 3 and x equals 1 by 2. Now we need to simplify this algebraic expression, that is 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. Then after simplification we should substitute the value for x equals 3. That is, now we will simplify that. That is multiplication of monomial by binomial. That is 3x into 4x plus into minus, minus 3x into 5 plus 3 as it is. Now 3 into 4, that is 3 4s are 12, x into x square, then 3 5s are 15, x plus 3 as it is. Now we have simplified this expression in the form of 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now we need to find out the value of this expression, that is 12x square minus 15x plus 3 at x equals 3. What you need to do, in place of x you need to replace by 3, that is at x equals 3. At x equals 3 means in place of x replace by 3. What we get? 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. Students, now if you observe, x has been replaced by the value 3. Now 3 square is 9. 12 into 9 minus 15 into 3 plus 3. Now 12 nines are 108. Now 15 threes are 45 plus 3. Now 108 minus 45, what we get is, that is what we get is 63, then plus 3 as it is. Now 63 plus 3 is 66. The value of this expression at x equals 3 is what? 66. Now in the same way, we will try to find out the value of this expression at x equals 2. Now we will try to find out the value of this expression, that is after simplification we got 12x square minus 15x plus 3 at x equals 1 by 2. Now replace x by what? 1 divided by 2, that is x as 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now 12 into 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, that is 2 2s are 4 minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. Now what we get? 4 1s are 4 3s are. What we get is 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now what we get? 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 15 by 2. Now multiply 2 into 6, that is by LCM or by butterfly method. I'll add 6 as 6 by 1. Now 2 into 6 is 12. 15 into 1 is 15 divided by 12. What we get? 12 minus 15 is minus 3 divided by 2. Because the bigger number sign is minus, we are putting minus sign here. The value of this expression at x equals 1 by 2 is minus 3 divided by 2. Two questions for your practice based on simplification and finding the value at given number. Simplify a into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5, then find its value at a equals 0 and a equals 1. Second question, simplify x into x minus 3 plus 2. Simplify this expression, then find its value at x equals 1 and x equals 2. Moving to next heading, find the product of the given below. The first question, a square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. Now first multiply the numerical coefficient. Here it is 1 into 2 into 4, that is 1 into 2 into 4. Then multiply the variables, a square into a power 22 into a to the power 26. 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now since the bases are same, you can add the power, that is 2 plus 22 plus 26. Now what you get? 8 a to the power 2 plus 22 is 24. 24 plus 26 is 50. What we got is 8 into a to the power 50. Now the next question, multiply 2 by 3xy into minus 9 divided by 10 into x square y square. Now multiply the numerical coefficient, that is 2 by 3 into minus 9 divided by 10 into xy into x square y square. Now first multiplication of numerical coefficient, then multiplication of variables. Now if you see 2 times 1, 2 times 5, 2 ones are 2 fives are, then 3 times 1, 3 times 3. What you get is 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 divided by 1 into 5 is 5. Then x into x square is x cube, y into y square is y cube. Students, few questions for your practice. Find the product of x into x square into x cube into x to the power 4. Then the next question, minus 10 divided by 3 into p cube into 6 divided by 5 into p cube into cube. These are the few questions for your practice. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you have learned the concept of multiplication of monomial by a monomial by a binomial, then monomial by a polynomial, then trinomial. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel.